My favorite time, number one, actually, I don't think that's arguable, is when Nini won veto power for herself. Was it last week? I was really happy, I can't lie. That was my favorite moment, undeniable, because I didn't want to lose her, Jerry. I didn't want her to be up for nomination, eviction, or, So she won veto power for herself. It was really exciting, because I tried to win it for her. I guess Perry tried the same thing. My money tried the same thing, but it was good that she did it by herself, for herself. That's one. Then two, definitely yesterday, when I won, I guess, the biggest fucking cake in this house. That's 2.5 million on Lipton. That was just really nice for me. Another moment was the art challenge, and I painted something fucking marvelous. I was fucking proud of myself, man. Shit. Because I'm actually not a